Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. So yesterday, excuse me, I focused on Lam Research, noting that the stock could do one of two things here. It could pull back, and give you a better entry point back here, or it could break out and you're in at 600, and so it gave us the in at 600 deal. And so now what I would suggest doing is, if you're long this stock, you're good. Depending on what kind of trader you are, you have some decisions to make on this weekly chart, which is here. This is your weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can see how this thing's zigzagging, but it's up above 600 now. This is in blue sky. I would say, it's pretty easy to get to 700. That's another 10% or so. That would be my measured move here. We've got the low here. We'll call it 500. This last top of the trading range here, 600. $100 looks like it to me. My price target on this would be 700. The trend is intact. Again, the breakout was big. The big volume started on Wednesday. On Thursday of a long weekend, this kind of volume is pretty strong. Also, keep in mind, we've got earnings in 3 weeks on the 21st. And so I think what's happening is, when you think about this, with the semiconductor shortage, basically for the most part on the planet Earth, that's where most of the shortage is occurring on Earth. Then you got stocks like Lam Research that are really going to have made a lot of good money here. And so, because this is what they do. And I think the market's anticipating that. I would stay long on this stock. Give this about 5 or 6% right now and just let the stock run. You go ahead and make that money, and we'll go back and look at it next week, okay? Hope you all have an enjoyable 3-day weekend. Happy early Easter. Remember the reason for the holiday. It's really not about eggs and bad candy, all right? See you Monday.